Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I teach two important integration of joint entrance. Before teaching, I am interested to say if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Evaluate limit n tends to infinity, third bracket n factorial n by n to the power n 1 by n. This is very important integration. Evaluate this value. Factorial n by n, you can write 1 by n into 2 by n into 3 by n dot you can write n by n. Let a is equal to limit n tends to infinity factorial n by n to the power 1 by n. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, 2 by n, 3 by n dot n by n to the power 1 by n. Okay. Then log a equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n log 1 by n, 2 by n, 3 by n dot log n by n. And since if you take log, so 1 by n coming here, and that's why log a equal to this. So limit 1 by n summation log r by n r equal to 1 to n. If you put r equal to 1, then you get this. If you put r equal to 2, you get this. In this way you get this. Now 1 by n tends, let 1 by n equal to h. If n tends to infinity, h tends to 0. So this can be written as limit h tends to 0 h factorial r 1 to n log rh. So this you can write 0 to 1 log x dx. Now this is the integration by parts. So you have to take log x equal to 1, log x equal to u and 1 equal to v. After making it integration by parts, you get the result x log x. After doing by integration parts, you get x log x 0 to 1 x into 1 by x dx, that is equal to x log x minus x 0 to 1, and that is equal to dx equal to x. So here 1. So a equal to e to the power, that is minus 1 log 1 equal to 0. So a equal to e to the power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by e. Okay. Since log a is equal to minus 1, so a equal to e to the power minus 1, and the result is 1 by e. Number 2. This is another important integration of this type. Question: limit n tends to infinity, third bracket 1 plus 1 by n square, 2 by 2 plus n square dot 1 plus n square by n square to the power 1 by n. Then a equal to limit 1 plus 1 by n square to 1 plus 2 square by n square dot 1 plus n square by n square to the power 1 by a. So taking log both sides, you get here log a, and here if you take log, then the power will be here, and 1 by n equal to log 1 plus 1 by n square log 2 by 2 square by n square dot log 1 plus n square by n square. So limit 1 by n summation r equal to 1 by 1 to n log 1 plus 1 plus log 1 plus r square by n square. Now putting 1 by n equal to h, r equal to 1 to n log 1 plus r square h square, 1 by n equal to h, n tends to infinity, then h tends to 0. So this is equal to, this is the formula. You can write 0 to 1 as nh equal to 1. So 0 to 1 log 1 plus x square, and this is by integration by parts here dx, integration by parts. So log 1 plus x square equal to u and 1 equal to v. So you get result x into 1 log 1 plus x square 0 to 1 minus x into 1 by 1 plus x square into 2x dx 0 to 1, 1 log 1 plus 1 2 0 to 1 x square 1 plus x square dx log 2 minus 2 0 to 1 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx log 2 minus 2 0 to 1 dx plus 2 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x square log 2 minus 2x 0 to 1 plus 2 into tan inverse x 0 to 1 log 2 minus 2 2 tan inverse 1, tan inverse 1 equal to pi by 4, tan inverse equal to pi by 4. So log 2 minus 2 plus pi by 2, here taking log 2 here, the log a minus log 2, so log a by 2 pi by 2 minus 2, that is pi minus 4 by 2, hence a equal to a by 2 equal to 2 pi minus 4 by 2, so a equal to 2 into e pi minus 4 by 2. Thank you so much.